Chris here, and I am going to demo the diamond pressed foil kit. It comes with adhesive strips and foil, and this is a cold foil application. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out a metal die with the adhesive on our paper, and then I'm going to show you how it works. But before I get into that, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and being a part of my community. And if you're not, I welcome you to come on and join our little family of crafters and DIYers and bargain shoppers, and we just love to have you be a part. All you have to do is hit that little subscribe button and click on that bell so you'll be notified, and then there we go. Okay, so thank you so much for letting me do that. Now, what we need is your metal die, whichever one you want. And this is a card I'm putting together. It's just a plain white cardstock with a sheet of scrapbook paper cut about 1/4 of an inch smaller so that it will fit on here and be the front of my card. So I'm going to set that aside. The kit comes with 3 different foil rolls and then adhesive. Now these adhesive strips allow the foil to adhere to the paper, and then you don't have to have the heat application. So I'm just going to take this strip. Let's see, these are smaller. There are different sizes in here. And so this strip here is for my hello. So I'm going to take my hello paper and I'm going to cut it to the size of my die. Okay, so this is the size I need to put the foil on my hello. So what I need to do is take my adhesive with the glossy side up. You can see that's where you pull off the backing and just remove it. And then we place the sticky side down on the cardstock. Now, you just firmly adhere it, so it's not like, it's very sticky, by the way. So I'm just gonna put it on here and adhere it down and rub it in. It really doesn't matter about what size what side your paper is printed on. So I'm just going to trim this up a little bit more because I don't want adhesive going through my machine. So I'm going to trim that. I'm actually going to cut this on my Gemini Go because my diamond press didn't make it. So I'm just going to lay my cut side down onto the side that has the adhesive back, you know, the adhesive side, not the back like we normally would. And I'm going to slide this through my Gemini Go right here. Okay, so now I've got my die. I remove my die like this, and then you can see it cut through. And I'm going to take off, I'm going to punch out the little hello circles. And now you can see I have my hello, and I just peel this backing off. Okay, now the sticky side is on my hello, so I'm going to lay it on the back side of the foil. And then I need to rub it into my hello. My words. So I'm going to just cut this, and you just rub it in. You probably want to rub it really good, make sure that it adheres, because, you know, I'm going to make sure it adheres real well. Alright, let's give it a try. What do you guys think? Okay, so here we go. We're going to pull it off. And this is a big word, I guess. Getting all of our foil off of here. This is the multi. And I'm being careful. Pulling it off. And there we go. Isn't that cool? And you can see the foil That's really cool. Let's do one more. Okay, so we're gonna try Friend now. We're gonna do this one. And I'm gonna use this paper, so it needs to be long enough there and here. So this is long enough, just perfect actually. So I'm just gonna cut that a little bit. And then make sure we fit still. Didn't cut too much. You know how sometimes you can do. All right, so now take the adhesive and adhere it to your paper. Gotta get your fingers in the right place, I guess. All right, so now I'm gonna apply it to my paper and rub it down really well. Okay, now I want to put my Friend cutting, my metal, onto the other side of the adhesive and put it through my die cutting machine. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so here we go. We take that out. We take out Friend. How cool is that? And we're going to remove the adhesive and apply it to the foil. Okay, so I'm taking my Friend and I'm going to put it on the foil, and instead of rubbing it from this side, I'm going to turn it over, and I really want to rub it really good. So I'm just going to take one of my plates and just rub over it really well to make sure that it's applying the foil to the adhesive. All right, I'm going to cut this off. And for the big reveal, oh, this is really cool, you guys. Okay, so I just threw together a real quick little card with this. You can see how cute it is. If it's still a little sticky, you might throw a little glitter on it or rub the foil back over it. And then I put Friend inside. I did put it on another sheet of cardstock just to give it a little stability. It's really, really pretty. Anyway, I'll send this out to a friend, and I hope you enjoyed this video learning about the cold foil application on whatever you want to put it on from Diamond Press. So anyway, thanks so much for watching.